Staplers. Hunt. Whoa! We came here to get away from it all, so that our love might blossom, but our love has not blossomed. Look at my beloved. The flies have made her ugly and rotten. I wish she were beautiful, like the squirrels of the wood. And so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood. Ah, we're not mentally all there, are we? Oh, that's nice. Alright, well, see you later, honey. Gonna put squirrels on you. Trust me, I'll be the one to fight for you and think. There's a bunch of space here. I feel like there should be a room there. Maybe there's like a big room here. Okie-dokie. Book of the Grove. Saith the goat of the wood. Saith the goat of the woods. He saith, thou shalt not staple squirrels. Uh-oh. Unluckily for him, we will staple squirrels. There should really be a room there. Two plates. It's kind of romantic, just the two of us. Okay. In 5 days, God is coming. Alright. Oh, we got a gun. Oh, a little marker. It's time to hunt the squirrels. Use the map tab. Come back tomorrow for another tip. We got sound meter. Oh. Nutty Nate's squirrel hunting tips. You can run, but stay low. Use your ears. You can usually hear squirrels chattering. Rifle is equipped with a scope. Use it to varmints at long range. Poison grass, do not eat. Oh, we just walk into it. Okay. Well, let's find these varmints. Never heard of a squirrel hunter. Oh. I hear varmint. Dude, I feel like Elmer Fudd. Ah, it's an annoying noise. Oh, this is home. Damn, this is really far. What? Big. Where is big? Someone vomiting. Vomiting. Ugh. Okay. I feel like I hear them, but I see nothing. That's probably on purpose. No, part of a log. Thought I found me some varmint. It says there's something there. Yeah, there's something here. Shit. Yeah, okay. Squirrels are afoot. Squirrels in the woods, right? Not like bears. Geocache. Oh. That's not the thing we're looking for? Okay. There's geocaches. I hear them. Is the thing I'm going towards these? Wait a minute. That's a squirrel. I nail it? Saw another squirrel there. Yeah, I gotta reload, yeah. Alright. Sweet. Bang! pang. I don't know why that's not the noise it makes. What? Where is that yellow thing? Oh. So that's a, that was troll. Now I feel stupid. Oof. That got me. Alright, well I'm gonna keep going down this trail. See what's going on. They didn't warn me about any other creatures. Wait a minute. The yellow dot's me. That's why I didn't say anything. Cause I'm the yellow dot. Oh my god. Why are you so old? Ugh. It's a horrible noise. Rack that. Got that squirrely son of a bitch. Where is he? Aha! My prize. Yoink! This is the truest kind of love. Yeah. Note. Did you see that? I'm generally the best. If I see for a second a squirrel in my crosshairs, are enough squirrels today? It's a health thing. Ooh, I can get damaged. Yikers, what's this? Energy drink, double speed. Squirrel fact, squirrels can sometimes run at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Huh. Did I find the thing here? Where's the thing? Says there's two things here I have to go. I wanna see. I'm near it. I don't get it. What are they? Oh, is it these two power-ups? Okay. I want to explore the rest of the map, but I mean, it says I'm done for the day, so you know, don't dawdle in squirrel land. Should have got another hit of that energy drink. That would have been smart. Alright, next day I guess I can go that route then. You think God will be mad that I'm killing the squirrels? You think? He might not like that. That's the same. Oh. Oh. Neat. Alright. Say hi to the old wifey. Old ball and chain. That's weird. I think dirt. Oh, they're probably meant to be dirty because, you know, she's dead. How's this? Thou shalt still not staple thy squirrels of the woods. Boo! Scared you, honey? Press action. There we go. 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 Perfect. Gonna be shaping up in no time. Time to catch some Z's. You were sleeping. Ugh. I feel refreshed. Alright, let's go to work. Damn. I think we killed her? Nah, we wouldn't do that. Not to our little honey bun. Let's see. Any new news? Oh. Book of the Grove, chapter something, verse 2. For the bushy tail is righteous in all the mother's sight, and the chattering voice divine. Should that which is divine be adhered to that which is not divine? By no means. Of course. What's in those crates? Coming? 5 days. Check the controls, there's like a call button. Press F and call. Today I must hunt the big squirrel. Use the map to use the call F to track and lure big squirrels.
Ow, ow. Bang, 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 bang. Shoot the livers. 30 minutes or less, guaranteed. Oh, it's free. Bang, 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 bang. I'm the man with the master plan. Shake my hand, baby, please. Wow. Fill me up, break me down, till I'm crawling on my hands. I know it, I know it. It's all right. Baby, baby. Bang, 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 bang. Shoot the livers. 90 minutes. Bang, 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 bang. I'm the man. Who's the man with the master plan? Shake my hand, baby, please. Come on. Bang, 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 bang. Mm-hmm. Woo. You got it. Bang, 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 bang. Fill me up. Bang, bang, bang. Woo. Bang, 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 bang. Baby. Woo. All right. Bang, 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 bang.
Damn. You weren't kidding, that motherfucker's the size of a bear. Damn. Damn. Yep, that's for sure. Alright, let's drink up, head back home. Time to head home. Alright, let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Gotta make sure to keep loaded up. Nope. Same. Honey, I discovered energy drinks. Or wait, no, I think those were here yesterday. No, that's the same. Oh, I gotta stop keep checking on things. It's just taking up my time. Oh! I don't want squirrels. I want skin. Give me back my skin. Or give me yours instead. I took your skin? I didn't take your skin, dude. Sorry, hon. Alls I got are squirrels. Where's the big squirrel? Okay. I am sleeping. Truth nuke. Alright. Jesus, there's a lot of flies. Let's see. Rather, like the righteous squirrel, the wise man stores his nuts for the proper time, but the faithless man has no nuts to store. Yep, sure, that makes sense to me. Why don't we have like any cooking stuff? Maybe we're just takeout people. What the hell? What the fuck was that? Die, you son of a bitch! Ah, fuck! Jesus! What in the fuck? Is that another one of those fuckers? Better not be. I have to be really careful. Oh, you lucky little fucker. What is that fucking thing? Squirrel? What is Squirrel Tower? Some shit? Squirrel Bear. Thankfully, it's not as sound sensitive. Please, just let me get the bullets. Please. Gimme. Okay, cool. I see a cabin. No, probably not. Alright, let's try and find that thing. Oh shit, we missed the geocache. Oh well. Squirrels use chemistry leg and feet hairs to identify food, then track it with their front antenna. I think that's flies, but okay. God, that noise is horrible. Fuck you, son of a bitch, you didn't see shit. It really feels like shit's trying to sneak up on me. Oh, it's fucking gone. Forget it. Get away from me, you son of a bitch. Fuck. Oh. Whoa. The lady, uh-oh. The newly created half-woman screamed and wailed, clawing her way in circles around the room as blood poured from the bottom of her torso and trails flopped around in tangles. The artist sobbed and looked to the old woman, who was examining the pennies he'd given her, unfazed. She caught his gaze, shrugged, and said, "I reserve a special spell for these circumstances." She pointed to an axe mounted on the wall. "Return tomorrow for part 4. Shit, I missed the first 2. I didn't know I was in for like a book. I didn't know how much content there was gonna be in this game. Jeez. Oh no, there's like a goodies folder. Kazap. Shit. Bam! Moving like a Rittenhouse. Okay, I don't know actually. I saw. Like, I don't actually know who that is. I just saw like an image of him, and I know he has a gun. Now that I think about it, that's probably not a good thing to say. I think he's like an army guy, so it's probably not good. Okay, well, forget I said that. Alright. Oh wait, yeah. Squirrel bear. The fuck? Squirrel bear over there? That rhymed. Squirrel bear everywhere? Or not squirrel bear. Big squirrel. There may be like more squirrel variants, you know, like squirrel cheetah, squirrel deer. That's a good idea. You know, I thought this perch would give me like an advantage. You know, because I'm like high above it all. It's not like coming to me. No. For some reason, I keep seeing like cabins. Or, well, no. Not actually, but fuck! Alright, it's on the run. That didn't do anything. Yes. More bullets. I need these. I'm being chased. Never mind. No, I'm not. Squirrels have urine release valves under their eyes and urinate on each other's faces to communicate. I don't know. That's probably fan fiction. Somewhere, I'd have to imagine. You know, I was just making a joke about the piss stuff, but I feel like that could be a fan fiction. The valve stuff too. Big Mamba. Got him. Hunter Fort. Back away or I'll blast you. I didn't rack it. Very pained man. He's like, oh, my kidneys. Shit. Ah. You can die for a pizza time now. Health. I'm a glutton for not dying. I wish I knew that there was like a story here. It's interesting. Are the stories all like in some way like about me, or are they about like just stuff that's happened here? in these woods. It is probably meant to just be generally stuff that's happened here. Squirrel bear? Hot damn! That was good. The iguanas are they want us, they're gonna have us. Alright. Ta-ta. Yeah, I'm not getting those geocaches. Oh, shit. I completely forgot. I guess I'll go this path, then. Probably shouldn't be sprinting. I see a little silhouette of a squirrel, squirrely squirrel, squirrely squirrel. Can you do the squirrel dance? Squirrel, thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening. Galileo, 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 magnifico. I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family, spending his life in this monstrosity. I'm just a poor boy, I need no sympathies, 'cause I'm... No, there's one squirrel, XL squirrel, and I killed it. I thought that was just like a general squirrel call, but I guess it's just for the big boys. Squirrels can regenerate lost limbs, although it can take a few years to do so. I think squirrels live for like weeks, probably. No, probably like they probably live like 6 years maybe. You ever think that one Dr. Nowhere creature, the one from the famous one where he's like slamming against the glass? Yeah, Dr. Nowhere, he just non-stop makes really fucking scary shit. Like the boiled one? Dude, holy fuck. Dr. Nowhere, he should team up with someone and make like a game. I mean, he's gotta, dude. Yo, I was right, there is another cabin. Look at this. Enjoy every day you can commit sins at the Shady Shack to boost your score. Okay. Okie dokie. Let's not talk about that. Son of a bitch. Dude, I don't have the patience of a real hunter. Bang. Bang, 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 bang. I'm the man with the master plan. Shake my hand. Where were you earlier? Could've really used you, man. Could've used you on the team. Little high, little low. Yeah, I'm going the right way. Oh, we got a north. Alright, so our house is to the like far south, so alright. Yeah, I'd say so. I need you, say salt. Say salt. I need no sympathies, 'cause I'm easy come, easy go. Well, I can't jump. Keep thinking I can jump. Bang, 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 bang. I'm the man, the master plan. Shake my hand. Squirrels can regenerate. Yeah. Do. Home, sweet home. No. Stay away. Bang! 'Cause we step in on business, I'm a big stepper, underground maker. Damn, the 5 days are coming up quickly, man. I need no sympathies. I forget this. Yeah. No nuts. Oh, honey. Ta-da! What the fuck? Flies, you were supposed to be following her. Where is she? Okay. Kitchen? So I should check there. Okay. Okay, yeah, she's in the kitchen. I was right. Hey, hon. Yeah, let me get your back. Or not. Or we'll just get this arm. I've got no clue where I put those. You wanna come to bed, or? Alright, it's cool. See you later. No. Da. You are sleeping. Honey. See you in a bit. Why? For some reason, I keep getting squirrel fur in my mouth. In this way, the squirrel is good and the lobster is bad. Wherefore squirrels may die so that squirrels may live, just as lobsters live so that lobsters may die. Think God's just gonna appear in one of these windows? There's a chance. Damn, day 4. We're coming to a close pretty soon. To the day. It's better to hide than fight. Large predators will investigate loud noises. For some reason I can't speak. Nutty Nate Squirrel tips. Poison grass, do not eat. Alright, well, let's go visit. Oh, wait. No, let's go visit the Sin Shack first. Then we can cross over, go check out the story. Oh, no squirrel. Oh, yes, squirrel. Oh, yeah, shit. Predators and shit. But I don't think they understand. I be stepping on business, okay? I'm scared of no squirrels. You're nothing. Bang! That's how we do it. That's how we do it in Squirrel Stapler, bro. I am the Squirrel Man. I am the Squirrel Man, that is what I am. I am the Squirrel Man. Killing squirrels with a plan. Ba-ching! That's not the Sin Shack. It's fucking Stonehenge. go. I hate that noise. Squirrels are capable of hating you. I think all things are capable of hate. It's not a very complicated emotion. What the fuck? It's that vomiting noise again. Dumbass. Empty! Squirrel's claws are sharp enough to tear out eyeballs. Yeah, you're lucky, little squirrel fucks, that I don't have me bullets. I'd blow your bow. Ha ha ha. What's the difference between what's it? What the fuck was the joke? Oh yeah. What's the difference between a penis and a bonus? Your wife will always be happy to blow your bonus. Oh, they're clapping. The trees, they're clapping for me. You son of a bitch. I'm faster than you. You can't escape me. Fuck. I had the shot. Shh. Shh. I hear that son of a bitch. You little motherfucker. Bet I got him. Yes. I'm gonna get slimed the fuck out, dude. I hear two things coming after me. Shit. Go, go, go! Bang! Bang! Dumbass. Uh-huh. The artist lifted the axe, tears streaming down his face. The half-woman continued to scream and claw. He brought the axe down. Her left arm rolled across the floor, and still she screamed and writhed. He brought it down again, separating her skull into two parts. And somehow... Still she screamed. Again the axe came down, and again, and again, and again, until she screamed no more. Shit, what the fuck is part 5 gonna have? More invested than... Where? Dude. I can never get my words out. We're gonna fucking exterminate all the squirrels at this point, dude. I got a lot of horror games planned for the channel. Got a lot of good stuff coming up. I assure you. It's been a while since I uploaded. That's why I quickly decided, you know, Squirrel Saber. Fuck. You know, I'm never gonna talk again. We're actually a silent channel now. I don't know why that's called the big squirrel. The squirrel bears are like way bigger. Alright. Let's get out of here. No, we go to the south, but I've gotten turned around, so... Am I not? Where the fuck am I going? Yeesh. I'm going the right way. Huh, I could have swore our house was always south. Shit. I read this? Squirrels are always watching. Squirrel are always watching, that's what it says. Alright. Same. Okay. Oh shit, God's coming tomorrow. Alright, well let's hope the old wife doesn't pull anything funny. Should look like a dipshit, dude. I checked behind me in real life. I'm tripping, I did it again. Honey? No funny business. There we go. You got a squirrel head now. I think she's complete. Running, honey. I'll see you later. I'll see you later, honey. Bye, I'm Homer. Homer. Homer Simpson. Let's see. And I say unto you, in those final days, the groves will bend in agonized worship, and the nutless man will be judged with his own industrial penetration and godless adhesion. So the stapler will become the stapled. That's talking about us. Okie dokie, that's... okay. Oh, this is the grove. That's where we're in. We're the nutless man. God is coming today. Yeah, big deal. That God. There are more squirrels than you have bullets, and you have made her. There are more squirrels than you have bullets, and you have made her very, very angry. That's a lie, because I have infinite bullets. Bang! Come get you some, boy. Ow! I thought I was faster. I have made her very angry. That shit was not lying. Alright, let's just hurry to the tower. Then we can just rush. Then on the way back, boom, boom, boom. We get the squirrels on the way back. Makes it way quicker. I'm hussing, I'm hussing. I'm hussing. Running, running, running. Sprinting! Sprinting! That's what I'll do. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Let me up, let me up, let me up. Let me heal, let me heal, let me heal. Thank God. Let's see. The Lady Part 5. The artist's ears rang. Ah! The artist's ears rang as he turned to the old woman and said, "What is this unspeakable horror that you have brought to me? How can I ever escape what has been done here? What penny spell can you cast to conjure good from this?" And the old woman examined the bloody mess and said, "Well, young man, this will make a mighty fine stew." And so they made a stew from the remains, but it was poison, and they both died. Art will eventually destroy the artist. The end. Well, that was depressing. Is that hinting towards... is our wife gonna kill us? Because, like, we've been, like, painting her, I guess, in, like, squirrels. It's weird. Huh. Who was the guy that killed JFK? Wasn't John Wayne. I don't think. Hey, wait a minute. I've never been to that brown section. At least that part of it. Yeah, I never ventured past this point. Huh. Well, let's see. I'm trying to think who killed Kennedy. Was it me? Maybe it was me. I think it was like John Wayne. No, it was Lee Harvey Oswald. That's who did it. Bang. Oh, it hurts me? Squirrel blind? The fuck is this? Something. It's interesting we got like a squirrel vantage point with all the power-ups nearby. It's like bird blind, you know. From the I believe it's the Peacemaker show. Fuck. I could have gotten him if I had been a little faster and remembered to reload. Thankfully, the big squirrel, he's too fat to run away from me. Let's get that sucker. Son of a bitch, is that him? Is that him? Go away! Go away! I'm out. I'm out. Yes! Yes! Get it, get it, get it! Come at me. On guard! Ow! Ooh, he blew me away. Where's the squirrel blind? No, squirrel blind was way farther away. Alright, let's go back to the squirrel blind. Not yet. Oh, is this the Sin Shack? There we go. We found the Sin Shack. Does it have any complimentary bullets? No. Alright. We're like photocopying squirrels. I hear like trippy noises, you know, like liquid. It sounds like we're like, I don't know, like shoving a squirrel in like a shredder or some shit. I mean, that's assuming that whatever we're doing is involving squirrels. I just kind of assume it is because, you know, we're the squirrel stapler. Let's get another hit. Let's find that XL squirrel. Let's get the fuck out of here before God comes. I don't know why we don't have like a truck or some shit. You'd think, you know, you'd need a car to have even, you know, got out here. But, you know, alright. Hello, guy. God is coming. Yeah, I know a great way to prepare. It's go home. I gotta get home, I gotta get home, I gotta get home. Getting the fuck out of here. Or if it doesn't work, I'll come back to the tower. Actually, no, fuck that. I'm just gonna go home. Well, that doesn't consider the fact. What if I don't get to go home? Huh. I really thought my wife was gonna, like, betray me or something. Oh, shit. Where the fuck is home? If I just go straight through here, that'll take us way faster. Oh, shit. No, it isn't. I was wrong. Come on, come on. I want to go home. I want to go home. What the fuck? God is coming. God is coming. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Honey? 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 I don't have to meet God. I don't want to meet God. I don't want to do that. I really don't want to do that. I really don't want to do that. I really don't want to meet God. I really don't want to meet God. Oh, God. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Please. Please, I just want to go to the big station. Oh, God. Oh, God, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. He's coming for me. What the hell is that? There's something behind me. Let's go home. Oh my God. Ah! What? Did God get me? Oh, God got me, dude. Was he behind me? I think he was behind it. I think he was behind me. Yeah, he was behind me. Yeah, I'm dead. Well, I had fun.